So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to open or how to extract RAR files on your Windows 11 computer. Now, RAR files are simply compressed files and they have the extension .rar, and that's what makes you know they are RAR files. Now, if you don't have any RAR extraction software installed like WinRAR or WinZip, then the RAR file might look something like this. It will look something like this, but you can tell it's a RAR file because it says .rar. And also, if you right click and go to properties, you can see the file type is a RAR file. But when you have some software installed like WinRAR or WinZip, then RAR files will look like this. It's going to change the icon and the RAR files will look like this. And so obviously to extract RAR files, you first of all have to install WinRAR or WinZip or any other file extraction software that you like. Installing WinRAR is extremely simple. All you have to do is go to your favorite web browser and just do a quick Google search of WinRAR. And then click on the main WinRAR website, which is this win-rar.com. Then go ahead and click on download WinRAR. And that's going to download the 64-bit version of WinRAR so you can install on your computer. Now, I've already done this, so I won't go through this process. But if you want to see an elaborate video on how to install WinRAR, then you can click on the link in the description below where I've explained step by step how to install WinRAR. Anyway, so once WinRAR is installed, then your RAR files will look like this. And then now to open this, simply right click and select open, and then select WinRAR, click OK. And that will give you a preview of what's inside that RAR file before extracting it. So you can actually peep in there and see the contents of that specific RAR file. So once you do that and you verify that these are not harmful files, then you can go ahead and extract. So once again, go to the RAR file, select it, right click on it, and then go to the WinRAR option, and then select extract files. And if you do this, it's going to extract files on the current folder. So that means it's just going to extract files onto the desktop. We don't want that. We want to go to a more organized option, which is extract to this name. Now you'll notice this is the same name we have on the RAR file, and that basically means it's going to create a folder with the same name and extract files into that folder. That's a neater way of doing things. So right click, go to the WinRAR option, and then go to extract to that folder name. So click that. It's going to create a folder and put the contents of the RAR files into that folder. So here's our folder. If you now open the folder, you should find the contents of that RAR file in that folder. And that's basically how you can extract RAR files in Windows 11. Of course, you can also use WinZip to do this, to extract RAR files for free. If you want to watch that, I'll leave a link to that video as well in the description below. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.